This is an unboxing video of the Heatboys TMNT Michelangelo Mecha figurine, which is 9 inches tall and is built out of really heavy plastic and die cast. This is a thing that we've been waiting for quite some time. We finally got it in the mail, direct from China where it was made. As you can see, it's a gorgeously packaged box. And here's some action poses that you can actually have for this. And then when you open the box up, you'll see that there's like multiple layers of different weapons and attachments that you can have on this character, which has been pretty amazing. And here everything is taken out of the box and you can see all the different attachments that you get with the Michelangelo. There's a machine gun, there are numerous other guns, shoulder cannons, nunchucks, of course. He's got missiles, and then here we have him mounted on the base in a really cool action pose. The machine guns actually move. There's a battery in there, and so you can actually have them move. And you can see the eyes are also lit up too. So you put a little battery in its head, and you can see the eyes kind of faintly glow. But again, really amazing figurine that you can pose in many different ways, and it's very heavy and well made. So if you haven't picked one up for yourself, I would highly recommend it. It's about $190. You can order it online. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one.